Top 5 Kitchen Decorating Trends, Tips and Tricks. In 2024, watch full video because I will give you a bonus tip in last. 1. Open shelving. Embrace the trend of open shelves for a modern and airy feel, showcasing stylish dishes and cookware. 2. Smart storage solutions. Maximize efficiency with innovative storage ideas like pull-out pantry shelves and multifunctional cabinets. 3. Chic kitchen canvases. Elevate your kitchen style with modern tattoo art canvases, instantly adding a trendy and personalized touch to your cooking space. 4. Mixed material accents. Create visual interest by incorporating a mix of materials, such as combining wood, metal, and stone in your kitchen design. 5. Bold backsplashes. Opt for eye-catching backsplash designs, adding a pop of color or unique patterns to elevate your kitchen style. Bonus tip. Begin your kitchen transformation with a neutral base, allowing you to easily switch out accessories and keep up with evolving trends.